Did you know that the default remote desktop port on Windows is 3389, the first target for hackers? In this video, I'll show you how to change your RDP port to something else, making your connection more secure and less likely to be scanned. It's super quick and easy. First, from your Windows desktop, click the Start button at the bottom left corner. Next, in the Start menu search box, type Regedit. Click Run as administrator to open Registry Editor. Once the Registry Editor window is open, navigate to the following path. Inside the RDP TCP folder, look at the right-hand panel and you'll find a value called port number. This is the default remote desktop port, usually set to 3389. Now, double-click on port number. In the window that appears, change the base to decimal so it's easier to enter the number. Then type in your new port, for example 2025, and click OK to save. After clicking OK, you'll notice that the port number value has changed from the default 3389 to the new port you entered. This means your remote desktop will now listen on the new port instead of the old one. The next step is to open the new port in Windows Firewall so remote desktop can connect. If your firewall status is turned off, you can skip this step. But in my example, the firewall is enabled, so I need to open the new remote desktop port in the firewall to allow remote connections. Now, in the firewall window, right-click on Inbound Rules, then select New Rule to create a new rule. Choose Port. Click Next. Then select TCP. Under Specific Local Ports, enter your new port, for example, 2025, and click Next. Select Allow the connection. Click Next. Check all profiles, then click Next. Finally, give the rule a name and click Finish. After changing the port in the registry and creating the firewall rule, we need to restart the computer for the changes to take effect. After the computer has restarted, let's move to another computer on the same network and test the remote desktop connection. In the computer field, type the IP address of the configured machine, followed by a colon and the new port. Then click Connect. If everything is correct, you'll see the remote desktop login screen appear. So that's it. We've successfully changed the remote desktop port on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.